Am I the only one that didn't know how to fix a backup camera? Let's dive in. First, let's start with the basics. Check the camera lens for dirt or obstructions. A quick clean might solve your problem. Next, ensure the camera connections are secure. Open the back gate and gently inspect the wiring. Sometimes a loose connection is all it takes. Still not working? Let's move to the fuse box. Locate the fuse for the backup camera and see if it's blown. If it is, replace it with the same type of fuse. Now, let's check the settings. Turn on your Jeep and navigate to the settings menu on your infotainment system. Make sure the backup camera option is enabled. If all else fails, it might be a software issue. Check for updates on the Jeep's website or visit your local dealer for assistance. And there you have it. Troubleshooting your Jeep. Wrangler's backup camera doesn't have to be daunting. Clean the lens, check connections, inspect the fuse, and review settings. You'll be back to a clear view in no time. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe for more Jeep tips and tricks.